The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase with the ticker symbol COIN. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Coinbase, and since I have not done analysis for this stock in a long time, I'm just going to review the entire price action. So it looks like there was this downtrend that started back here in November of 2021. If I connect the swings, this is fitting pretty good against the channel, and you can see that prices were trending down inside this channel until right about August of 2022, where it broke out. And in this downtrend, prices were attempting to make a second leg down. So this is the first leg down, and if I drag this over, this was the second leg down. Obviously, we weren't going to complete this measure move target because it was in the negative area, but either way, we were probably going to get another leg down a similar size, which we did. And prices broke outside of this channel. Normally, we don't just reverse right away. We get 2 attempts at making a new low. That's what the bears like to do. Same thing for bulls if it's an uptrend. So there was the first attempt down. After one impulse, you can see that was a correction phase, and then prices began the second impulse. And this time, the price came closer to the measure move target around the 28.25. Prices stopped right around the 32 levels. So basically, after those 2 legs down, prices have been inside of a ranging pattern ever since. So let's go and draw that right now. Looks like the highs are right about here where we saw the double top recently, and it looks like the lows are right about here. I'm going to make this orange. So prices are just chopping back and forth inside of this ranging pattern since probably about May of last year. And inside of this ranging pattern, you can see that prices are near the median level of this range where it gets really choppy. Just like what happened in the past, it got choppy in the middle of the range, and right now prices are stuck inside of a smaller range inside of this orange range, which is this green range. So you can see how it gets you see different layers of the market if you pay close attention to it. So you can see this smaller range inside of the bigger range. So basically, what's going to happen for Coinbase? Well, prices were attempting to reach this measure move target right here. This is the first leg higher after the correction of the down move. Prices, went up. It was going to reach the 106 level. It was attempting to do it, but you can see the range has just so much significance where it just rejected prices down, and it did not allow the bulls to reach this measure move target. So this range is very significant to the price. After prices got rejected from the range highs, prices came back inside of the green little range that it likes to be in. So right now we're just chopping back inside of it. Bitcoin is looking very similar. It's looking range bound also. So Coinbase is probably going to follow somewhat of Bitcoin. So they look very choppy right now and consolidating. Just waiting to see some type of catalyst occur. Maybe since we saw one leg down right here, we can see another leg down, and that will take prices back to the lower side of the range. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, prices are just kind of going sideways inside of this bigger orange range, and right now prices are inside of the smaller green range. So just a lot more sideways price action. I'm not really expecting anything crazy to occur. I don't see any measure move target that could be met as right now. The price isn't really trending in any particular direction. It's just trading sideways with these breakouts that fail. So I mean, really not much going on for Coinbase. It's not really that popular anymore. All the hype just dried up, so it's just kind of flatlining near the all-time lows. So after this collapse from pretty much its initial public offering of around, looks like it was the high 300s, 400s. Ever since then, price has been trading down. Now it's going sideways. So this area right here is probably the accumulation area. So this is probably going to be where the bottom is. I don't know for sure, but normally after a big collapse, if you see the sideways price action, this is normally the area for the bottom to occur. But we'll have to wait and see. As of now, Coinbase is probably just going to continue trading sideways for a while until we see some type of catalyst, a really large one. Here's the weekly chart for Coinbase. Not much to say about this either. You can see it just more simplified of a big down move and then this sideways price action. If I use the calculator or the measuring tool, you can see that since May of last year, prices have been range bound. So that's about almost a year's worth of price action that's sideways. So let's take a look at how far Coinbase has fell since its peak. It dropped to a low point of 92%. Right now it dropped about 85%. So very large move down after a big move, and you see this consolidation. This is normally where the bottom would be. Again, not guaranteed, but normally if you look at most charts, you'll see this. And price is just waiting for a catalyst to occur. The good thing is that on the weekly chart, you see that prices are having a tough time breaking through this EMA, so it could be signaling a potential shift in momentum. So we'll have to wait and see. If I maybe draw a channel off of these two swings, you can see that this is not a confirmed channel, but it could come to play in the future. So we'll have to wait and see. Maybe there's some type of upward momentum being built for Coinbase. But either way, the macro pattern is this range, and it has a lot of significance. Like I showed you guys on the daily chart, these breakouts keep on failing. There was a big breakout here that failed to the top side. There was a big breakout on the bottom that failed on the bottom. Stop prices going lower. Price came back inside the range, and now it's just kind of chopping back and forth. So until we see something really crazy on the chart, I'm just going to be expecting more sideways price action inside of this yellow range. So that's all I have for Coinbase. Thank you for stopping by and checking my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised at what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.